African savannas are home to many unique mammals. Two of the most familiar animals from this part of the world are the lion and the zebra. At first thought, breaking down a lion versus zebra fight might seem like a pointless mental exercise. Lions eat zebras all the time, right? That's not quite how things work in the wild, though. This article will look at the different sides of the lion and the zebra and show you why this fight may not be a simple open and shut case. The key differences between lions and zebras lie in their morphology, aggressiveness, and predatory behavior. Lions are one of the big cats, and they use their long tusks and claws to attack prey using ambush tactics or endurance hunting. Zebras are equine animals that attack with powerful bites and kicks, but lack any predatory drive like herbivores. It is easy to see how these animals differ, but it is not enough to determine which of them is ready to win in a fight. We need to examine other factors relevant to war in these animals. What are the main reasons for a fight between a lion and a zebra? As with other fights in the animal kingdom, the key factors in this fight are size, speed, aggression, fighting ability, and defense. We will look at each of these factors independently and evaluate each animal against the others. Next, we'll assign advantages to each creature, count them up at the end, and then make a final decision about which creature has the highest chance of dominating the fight. Zebras are bigger than lions. The average zebra weighs 485 pounds to 900 pounds, is up to 5 feet long and 9 feet tall. A lion will grow to a maximum of 550 pounds, stand just shy of 4 feet tall, and grow 4.7 feet to 8.2 feet tall. The difference in size is substantial and crucial to our assessment. Lions have the speed advantage, but zebras have more endurance. Lions' greatest defensive advantage is their pride, a group of other lions with whom they live. Few animals are brazen enough to attempt to attack a group of lions. Moreover, lions are very fast animals, and they are big for carnivores. Nothing about them invites a challenge. Zebras have the size and speed to stay safe, plus they travel in herds. Lions have better defense than zebras. Zebras have good offensive abilities, but since they are herbivores, they don't use them very often. These animals have sharp incisors and a bite powerful enough to tear flesh. Sometimes, they can even use their bite to grab and launch an enemy with a sudden jerk of their head. However, the real power of zebras comes from their kicks. They can deliver powerful, deadly kicks to their enemies. Lions have deep offensive capabilities. They have claws that can slash at enemies, claws that stun enemies, and a bite that measures up to 1000 psi. Although not the strongest bite, these animals have serrated teeth that are nearly 4 inches in length. To make matters better for Laos, they have amazing senses. They can smell, hear, and see enemies from afar and then move in for the kill. The lions have the advantage in terms of offensive power. Zebras completely lack predatory instincts and abilities. They are herbivores that forage for food. However, lions use 2 different types of prey. They will engage in ambush hunting when hunting alone or as an opening salvo when hunting in groups. Lions can also use stamina, strike and retreat with other members of their pride to overwhelm their prey until it can no longer resist. Lions have an advantage in hunting ability. A lion will win a fight against a zebra. While this shouldn't come as a surprise, we feel the need to tell you that lions don't always win this battle. Most of the time, lions attack in groups to take large prey. They attack a zebra and use their strength and aggression to bring it to the ground.